Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to GS Global Consult channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can link your bank card to your PayPal account. Your Nigerian bank card, your debit card precisely, to your PayPal account, which is going to make you receive payments easily without any obstruction. So today's video is just going to be in the process of how you can be able to do this. So I want you to just stick to the end of this video, watch the process and the procedures accordingly without missing any steps, and be able to link it and receive your payments directly to your Nigerian bank account. So guys, see you in the video and watch out. So guys, now I'm in my PayPal account. So in my other video, I will share a video of how you can create a PayPal account that can receive payments. These are the payments I received and the payment I transferred from my account. So now I want to show you how you can link your Nigerian card to your PayPal account in order to receive payment directly to your bank account, your local bank account. So firstly, if you have not yet linked, you click on transfer money. If you have not yet linked, there will be a notification that either you link a new debit card or a bank account. Yet I believe we don't have a US bank account because it's only US bank account that is only going to be verified. But I'll be showing you a video very soon on how you can receive payment using a US bank account, which I'll be dropping in no time soon. But today I want to be showing you how you can link your debit card. Now, if you have a debit card which you are using to withdraw cash to a normal bank, so this video is just going to help you in order to link it directly and link it in a way that you can be able to receive payment to your Nigerian account. So firstly, we have to go to link card. When you click on link card, so something like this will show up. So the next thing you have to go is you go to your mobile banking. Like me, I have First Bank mobile banking. So when you log into your mobile banking, when it is done loading, when it's loading, so you now create a virtual card in your mobile banking. Like you go to your virtual card. Here's my other bank accounts. So you see, this is a virtual card which I have in my First Bank mobile banking app. So as a new starter, you can click on create a new virtual card. They will be charging you for it. Normally the charge should not be more than 1,000 naira. You have your main virtual card, your direct bank virtual card. So when you are done creating it, you now copy the number and the details of the card and you paste it directly to your PayPal account. Paste it to where it is required. Paste in the number type, because after creating, you'll be given a Visa card. It is only Visa card that supports automatic transfer. You see, as I put in Visa card, it brought out an automatic transfer whenever I receive payments. That is for it. And after you are done with doing all those things, it works for every bank. Like my Access account also have the same creation of visual card. Any bank you use that has a mobile app, you can check it if they have creation of visual app, your visual card. So when you are done creating that virtual card, this is your own bank virtual card. This is not like other websites like Eversend or like Banter or any types of virtual card that is from other websites. This one is your direct bank virtual card. So when you are done creating that, you link it up here. After you are done linking it up, click on link the card in order to be sent a code. Normally they'll be deducting some amount for you to do that. That's a normal thing they do. They deduct the amount for you, and later on the code will be sent to you within 24 hours. So when the code is being sent, you put in the code and link it correctly to it. So after you are done linking, you notice that it is just easier for you to receive payments directly to your bank account here in Nigeria. So you can see I have a card linked already. That is why it's showing this. This is my virtual card, which I've already linked to my PayPal account. So whenever I need to transfer money, I will just click on it to transfer whatever I want to transfer to it. You see? So I'll enter the amount I want to transfer in order to receive my money down to my Nigerian bank account. So any amount I want to enter, I'll click on it, but the minimum should not be less than $10. If you have up to $10 or $20, you can be able to withdraw it directly. As you can see, I don't have up to $10 here, so I'll just have to show you the procedures. Even if you have already linked it and have enough money to withdraw, you can be able to withdraw it directly to your Nigerian account. So that is just the procedures and the process which you can use to create a successful PayPal account that you can withdraw your money without any restriction. So guys, I believe I've shown you the way and the process you can be able to do this. Just show some like and click on the like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to it so that you get more updates on how you can go about with most of these PayPal and online implements. So thank you. Hello guys, I believe you are getting a value from this video. Just show some like by clicking on the like button and subscribe. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to GGS Global Consult YouTube channel. Please, it's just to help us grow this channel. And also share to those which are also facing these issues of unable to link a bank card to their PayPal account. So guys, see you in the next video and bye for now.